Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're working on Lesson 12, Unit 6 for Language Arts. Today we are going to use the pronouns he, she, and it in a sentence. We're also going to read tricky words, and we are going to answer questions about key details in the story, The Storm. Okay, so let's start with pronouns he, she, and it. So I'm going to give you a word. For example, my first word is prince. And I have a sentence here. The prince is tall. I need your help changing these words, the prince, to one of these words, he, she, or it. In other words, I need to change the noun prince to a pronoun. Remember, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. So I think, what makes sense? He is tall, she is tall, or it is tall. He. We're talking about a prince, so we would say he is tall. The prince is not a girl, so we wouldn't say she is tall. The prince is definitely not an animal or whatever this is, so we wouldn't say it is tall. We would say he is tall. Let's try another one. Here's your word, blouse. The blouse is red. And blouse is kind of another word for a shirt. This girl is in a almost red blouse. So how could I use a pronoun in this sentence? Would I choose he is red, she is red, or it is red? It. We're not talking about a girl that's red or a boy that's red. We're talking about an object that is red. So we would say it is red. Again, it is the pronoun that replaces the noun blouse. Our next noun is Marge. And that's the name of a person, in particular the name of a female. So a girl or maybe a woman, a mommy. Here's your sentence. Marge likes pancakes. So we're talking about a girl. Would we say he likes pancakes, she likes pancakes, or it likes pancakes? Marge is a girl, so we could say she likes pancakes. Let's move on to our story, The Storm. Before we read, let's go over our different spellings for the different sounds that we've learned. So for the N sound, you have words spelled with the K-N, knees, knock, and kneeling. The S sound is going to be spelled with the letter C in the word winces and place. You're also going to hear the S sound spelled with the CE spelling in the word voice. The S sound with the SE spelling, you can find that at the end of the word house. We're going to read words with the K sound spelled with the letters CK. Ducks, blocked, and knock. And our other 2-syllable words we're going to come across are thunder, darkness, scamper, and shelter. Let's move on to our vocabulary. The first picture you see, that little baby's face is blocked out. It can't be seen. Something's in front of it, so it cannot be seen. If something's blocked out, something is in front of it and it cannot be seen. For example, you cannot see this little baby's entire face. It's blocked out. The next word with this deer is scamper. And to scamper means to run or move quickly. We know this word, shelter. A shelter is a place that covers or protects people and animals. We know that we all need food, water, shelter, and space to live. And this last picture is showing an example of the word winces. Winces. So if you heard that someone winced or is winces, that means that they are making a pain or scared face. Just like this little boy here. Okay, now it's time to go ahead and read the story to find out how Grace comforts her sister during a summer storm.